Good God, Jason. Second! Anywhere you look, you'll see one or two.
Sniper's still there, Bob, on down in there. They'll be looking at you. Their range is pretty much down here.
No.
Yeah, no, that's all right. I can't see them either, but I'll send those to these guys. So, see where our man is? Directly